Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox and have a look on the Baseus 5-in-1 USB C hub. So let's begin the video. Here is the box of the Baseus 5-in-1 USB C hub. On the front you have the actual picture of the hub. Here it says 4K at 60 Hz clarity, which means that the HDMI port it has supports 4K at 60 FPS. Baseus Ultra Joy series. You can see it has a gigabit Ethernet port, which is great. Smart port recognition. On the side we have these things. So basically it tells what kind of ports we are going to have. First of all, it has a USB-C port, which is the main port that we are going to connect with our different devices, like to our Mac, PC or to our iPad. It has a USB-C input port which can support power delivery up to 100 watts. It has two USB 3.0 ports. It has a one HDMI port which supports 4K at 60 Hz, and it has a RJ45 or an Ethernet port. So that's all on this side of the box. On the other side it's showing their social media platforms, and on the back it has these things written in different languages. So nothing too much on the box, so let's just open it. On the top we have this seal which we are going to cut open, and let's see inside it. Oops. So inside the box we have this little user manual, and I think it has the specification for each of the ports. If you're interested you can read it. So here it's going to show you these different things. It's written in Chinese and in English as well for your easiness. Other than that we have this little warranty card, which is great, and we have these cute little Baseus stickers, which is really nice. And last but not least we have our 5-in-1 USB hub. So pretty good quality, I would say. Here you have the indicator light as well as an on off switch. Other than that, on the back we have the specifications. You have this braided cable, which is great. On this end you have the USB-C port, again to connect with your devices like your Mac, iPad or your laptop. And on the other end we have our power delivery USB-C ports, which supports up to 100 watt input. I have read the manual, and it does not support data transfer, so it's solely for power delivery. So it's useful when you have connected your Mac to this hub, so you can use it to connect and power the Mac at the same time. You have two of these USB 3 ports, and it says 5 gigabits per second. And lastly our HDMI port, which supports 4K at 60 Hz. On the back you have your Ethernet port, and that's all. And it also has these two lights. So these kind of hubs are useful when your laptop has very few ports, or it only has the USB type C port if you're a Mac user. But nowadays in Windows PCs as well, your laptop do not have much ports, so having these kind of hub is useful, because you're sparing those extra ports for some other thing like an external storage device if someone wants to copy some data and so on. So I'm going to connect it with my laptop and show you. Here you can see that the Baseus USB hub is connected to my Windows laptop, and the main advantage is that you only have this one single port being consumed on your laptop, and you have all of these ports free on your laptop, so you can connect even more devices if you want to, and this makes it pretty good. And here you can see the button with the light. So this button is very useful if you have connected an external display using the HDMI port. If you click on the button, then the external signal is lost, and if you click on it again, then the display is back on the external display. So here I have the external display. If I click on the button, the display turns off. If I click on it, and it's on, and it is pretty fast and responsive. And this is pretty useful if you are concerned of your privacy with the second display. If you don't want someone to see something on your second display, just click on this button and boom, there is nothing on the external display. So it has many advantages. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Baseus 5-in-1 USB hub. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.